I want to say, Honorable Mayor and all of you colleagues, now there is something very impressive. The airport is one of the busiest airports, small as it may, not being too small. But there is something I like when I come to this airport. It is one of the busiest airports. When you go to other airports other than these big ones, you realize that, it's an airport, but there is a high rate of loneliness. But when you come to this airport, whether it was early in the morning, or late in the evening, or during the day, you can see that the airport is busy. And the airport gives a good reflection. When you look at it, it doesn't cause you to lose hope. This is the entry when you come to the city, which we should capitalize on it to ensure that this city once again becomes the area of choice to investors and the area where one decides to live and invest to the people of this city. This is just my welcoming remarks. I'm not going to be the one who will be speaking. It is going to be an opportunity for the Metro to put their side of the story, the civil society to put their side of the story, and eventually, we will say, let us find a common ground. How can we make the municipality be the home of everybody? When the business people have a challenge, they must have courage to go to the office of the mayor, to go to the office of the speaker, to go to the office of the MMC and express the problem they have and work out a solution for the benefit of everyone. We can do it because God created us as human beings and gave us the ability, which differs from animals, one, to listen to each other, secondly, to find a common ground. I welcome all of you in this engagement, and the first item, because Mr. Isaac Moshego, I'm informed, is not present, who was going to share some perspectives as an economist from Nedbank. But nevertheless, Peter Monga from the civil society will take the platform and open the discussion, and thereafter the mayor, together with her team, they will respond. And if we can listen to each other on the problem stated and the solutions suggested, we will leave this house happy that we have opened a new page for the benefit of our province, for the benefit of our city, and for the benefit of our country.